Thank you for your purchase of Punch Tricycle. This beautiful tricycle comes with attractive looks, sturdy body base, a foldable canopy, cushions on seat, parental handle control. This tricycle can be assembled by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver, a piler and a spanner for the assembling. To begin the assembling, take the main body and place the seat to the main body. You can fix it with the help of provided nuts. Now insert axle rod to main body. It's time to place rear wheels on both sides. Place wheel cap the wheels to give it a finishing touch. It's time to place front fork complete to main body. Now place clamp with nut bolt to front wheel complete. In the next step, place handle to main body, fix handle with main body with the help of spanner. Now cover the clamp with a cap. Let's place the parental handle. For this, place flute pipe to the main body and lock it with a button lock and provided screws. Now place movement rod on both front and back side and lock it with provided nuts. It's time to place rear basket to main body. You can lock it with the help of provided nuts and bolts. For finishing touch, place cushion seat to the main seat and lock it with clamps provided. Now place umbrella to main body with the help of lock button. In the final step, place parental handle to flute pipe and lock it with the help of plastic screw. Some additional features of the cycle is its rotating seat. Also brakes on the rear wheels on both sides. Your beautiful Punch Tricycle is now ready to use. Ride, Kids' Pride.